Hey YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to make ice cream with your food processor using frozen strawberries or any frozen fruit and heavy cream and sweetener. Okay, uh, the blade I got cold in the freezer for a half hour. You need to make everything freezing cold for this to work. I have a cup of blueberries frozen and a tablespoon of sweetener. I'm using truvia. And here we go. And you want to run your processor just long enough for this to come together. Need to put the phone down. And there you go. Simple. Eat this right away, or put in a Tupperware and cover it, and it'll scoop. You have to let it thaw a little bit for it to get creamy again, and you're good. Have a nice day, guys.